Welcome back to Cooking with Texas Chevy. Today I'll be making fresh hamburgers from ribeye steaks with my Vitamix Blender. We're going to start with 3 frozen ribeye steaks, and we're going to cut these into about 1-inch squares. With these all diced into 1-inch squares, we're going to put them about a handful at a time into the Vitamix Blender, and we're going to do it on pulse about 4 to 5 times for about 1 second each time. After every second handful, we're going to empty it out and then start over. Now that we have it all done, we'll start seasoning it and getting it ready for the burgers. So we'll be using about 2 tablespoons of steak seasoning, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, about 1/4 cup of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, and 2 eggs. You're going to notice how cold this is when you're mixing it around. So prior to making the patties, we're going to cover it and let it rest for about 30 to 45 minutes. Remember when you're making your burgers that this is a really lean meat, so it won't shrink very much. Be careful when you're flipping it for the first time, because there are a lot more tender burgers than the ones you buy at the store. And just cook it to your liking, to your rare, medium rare, and enjoy. Thank you for watching my video. Remember to subscribe and like this video and follow me on Instagram.